First step, cut the legs at 10 degrees. Don't turn the peg. Next, we're going to sand the edges, get any extra stuff off. This is an option you can do if you don't want the rustic look. You can go ahead and remove the bark. We ended up finding little nails, so then we had to go through and pull out the nails, and then we just sanded it lightly and smoothed everything off. Next, you're going to pre-drill your legs and then attach the T-bar brackets to each leg first. Once you have them set up, go ahead and mark all the holes, and then you're going to pre-drill again using the same size drill bit. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and set up your T-bars again and just drill them directly into the wood slice. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple, straightforward, and then you can just kind of twist your legs a little bit to make sure they're flat on the ground, and that's it. If you love home DIY projects, go ahead and give us a subscribe and a like. We'd love to hear your comments down at the bottom. Thanks so much.